Hello everybody, and welcome to my DesTalk. This is something that I wanted to talk about because this has happened recently and I wanted to address this. The director, Richard Donner, at 81 years old, has passed away. And I wanted to bring this up because Richard Donner was a phenomenal director. And when you go back and look at his body of work, I didn't realise how much of an impact he made on my life. From the first two Superman movies, to the Goonies, to the Lethal Weapon series, and countless others. He made a tremendous impact. And I didn't even realise it at the time. It's amazing when you go back and you look at something, you don't realise how much goes into it until you look at a person's life. And I kind of felt that way whenever I thought about Richard Donner. And unfortunately that happened after he had passed away. So this is just my little tribute to him. And all I just wanted to say was, thank you. Thank you for the wonderful movies, the great characters, and more than anything else, thank you for making me believe that a man could fly. Thanks for coming to my DesTalk.